Hey guys, what's up? Today, let's talk about what exactly stock market is because uh, recently I came across a video. Uh, yeah, so it's a video of a new channel, TD Yadagiri. Uh, it's from Telangana, India, uh, where people are calling, the TV host and asking various questions about the stock market, whether to hold stock of Idea, Vodafone Idea, Indus in Bank, and various other stocks. Yeah, and they're asking very basic questions. I think people doesn't have a lot of idea about what exactly stock market is. So in this video, I'd like to share what exactly stock market is and what is the role and what is the role of stock market and how you could make money out of stock market. Yeah, so let's assume that i I came to New York City and I saw a business opportunity in New York City, and yeah, I got very excited about that business opportunity, and I started working towards it. I hired a bunch of people. I hired a I rented a place, and I paid, the advance, and then I paid a 1 month rent as well. Uh, then I bought equipment. Yeah. Then, I did a lot of marketing, but everything requires cash, right? So what I could do, uh, I could, invest my own money, but that's not enough, right? Because New York is so fucking expensive. Uh, so what I will do, either I will go to my friends, um, or else I will approach the banks to raise some funds. So let's assume I raise some money through banks. Then what happens? I did some business. I found it, very, it's a very good business. A lot of people are getting engaged, and uh, I could do good business. I could, serve customers. Um, yeah, so I made some profit, and then after that, I I thought that the same problem exists in other cities as well, like San Francisco, uh, Singapore, Chicago, and then other cities as well. So what happens is the same problem, exists across the globe, and I need more capital to, expand my business. So what I will do is I'll go to investors called venture capitalist. Yeah. So I pitch both my idea and the business I did, and they get very excited about my business because I already generated so much of revenue, and a lot of customers are interested in my business or products or services that I'm providing. So, so far everything is good, and the investors also got excited, and they invested some money, and we expanded into, let's assume, Chicago. Yeah, we expanded same business into Chicago as well. There also, people started loving it, and we did a lot of marketing, and we are offering fresh products to the Chicago customers, and Chicago customers also, falling in love with our products. So now somebody from San Francisco also, requesting us to offer same products. So we move to San Francisco also. For that, we need more funds. Again, we will go back to venture capitalist, and we will raise new funds. Uh, like that, we raised, multiple round of funds to expand our business. Uh, So now we captured, let's assume that we captured the whole market in United States, but we want to expand even more. For that, this venture capital fund is not enough because they invest, maybe 10 million or 100 million. That's not enough to capture, whole world. For that, we need private equity guys. So we will go to Blackstone or KKR or Goldman Sachs, these kind of firms who invest, billions of dollars. Um, so we approach them, we pitch to them, so they got excited and we got the lot of money to, scale our business. Yeah. So now we captured Paris, Tokyo, Melbourne, Singapore, etc. And people also fell in love with our products, but the investors at some point they need their money back. At that time, what we do is we invest uh, sorry, at that time what we have to do is either we have to sell our business to somebody else like Bank of America who has fuckload of money, or we need to raise some more funds through public markets like New York Stock Exchange. So that's when the stock markets come into play. So initial investors can sell their shares to general public, and they can get their money back. At the same time, new investors, the general public also can participate in our firm to invest. So that's when the stock markets comes into play. There is something called IPO. So initially we issue the shares for a certain share price, and some people will buy, but those people also wants their money back at some points. So that's when this New York Stock Exchange or Nasdaq or London Stock Exchange comes into play to sell the initial shares to other people through secondary markets. Yeah, so that's called a trading. So actually you are buying the shares uh, and through IPO or through secondary markets, and then you could sell your shares. So this is how stock market works. And when a business does well, you could make a lot of money. They will pay you through dividends. Yeah. Also, if some business is doing well, like Nvidia, a lot of demand for that share will go up. So if you already purchased, that particular shares, uh, your share price will rise, and you could make a lot of money out of it.